Next one. Because the patent leather, you know, withstands rain, snowstorms. This is the fluffy one. This is the smooth one. So let me know which one you would pick. I was really looking forward to seeing this one. So this was unplanned because I didn't think I would get more Labubus, but I did. You guys know in my last video I unboxed my Halloween Labubu. We got 2 Have a Seat Labubus and I was hunting the Angel in the Cloud Labubu, like the big one, the huge one. But of course I didn't get my hands on those. But you know what, I'm super happy anyway that we have 1 and 2 Have a Seat Labubus. So with the Have a Seat collection, I really want the pink one, the green one, the brown one, and I'm okay with the sleeping one as well. I don't like these 2. I started going down a rabbit hole and getting really into like authenticating Labubus because they come from different factories now as well, and the quality between even the real Labubus there's like such a difference, and it's getting more and more difficult. This is the first blind box ever that I'm unboxing. Oh wow, okay, please be a good one. Okay, there's a sticker at the bottom that tells you which one it is. I feel like I don't want to look at it because I don't want the surprise to be ruined, so we're not looking into it. Okay, oh my god, this is my first. Oh! It's the pink one! Oh! Oh, hello. I'm still surprised by how tiny they are. So they can move their arms, they can move their legs, I think, as well. Oh, we have the pink one, I can't believe it. So it comes with this sticker and then you know which one's in your box. Next one. Always the ASMR. Again, I'm not gonna try to look at the sticker. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Okay. Oh my god, I think that's the 2 best in my opinion. Oh, the green and the pink one from the Have a Seat collection. I think they are the best, to be honest. Oh god, hello! Jessie has so many different outfits for her Labubus. That's a whole different kind of rabbit hole that you can get into. And here's the little card. Hello! So I got 3 Labubus! Look how cute they are! Okay, that's amazing. So I joked yesterday and I said Jessie from Jessie Style, go check her videos out. She has, you know, started this whole craze. And I said she was patient 0. In my opinion, she infected us all. Okay guys, I would say let's go. I'm gonna celebrate a belated birthday now. I cannot believe it. They're already hanging the Christmas decoration up. It's just the beginning of November. Yeah, so however, tell me I'm not crazy. I do still drink iced coffees and iced drinks in winter when it gets freezing. I don't know why, I just prefer ice over hot drinks. However, what I really liked recently is a hot pumpkin spice latte. That's over now because it's November. But I really enjoyed my pumpkin drinks. Now back to the usual. Also guys, I have to tell you, I started baking at home because I had nothing to do. I made those delicious pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Absolutely incredible. So today we're going to visit Dina, see what's new, catch up with her after everything that happened. And yeah guys, I'm just really glad to be out again, and it's ice cold. It's ice cold. Let's quickly stop at Selfridges and have a look what they've got as well before we head down to Bulgari. Okay, quick look at Louis Vuitton, guys. Let's see if there's anything new. There should be, I think. Oh guys, these are new. I just had to stop at Louis Vuitton quickly. Look at this beautiful shearling capucine and really stunning, huh? Same as these ones. Look at that. really nice chains, but to be honest, you can just do that yourself, you know, if you already own a capucine, just get a couple of pearl chains and metal chains and dress them up yourself. I love a leopard, I think we've established that. But that jacket and that bag together is amazing. Hello everyone. So we came to Celine today because I still need to pick my birthday bag. I have no idea. It's between, I don't know, all my favorite brands to be honest, but you guys know since my white Tilly bag, I'm so in love with Celine, madly and deeply in love. So this is one of the options. I have 3 bags that I want to get your opinion on. So leopard, I do love leopard. They have 2 different ones. This is the fluffy shearling leopard Claude shoulder bag. So this is basically the classic Claude. However, it looks a little bit bigger obviously because it's so fluffy. To be honest, I think this was a display model. It looks a little bit iffy. I think Hannah has seen this bag as well a couple weeks ago, and the one that she's seen was beautiful. Maybe I'm gonna put the footage in here. This is the one we're dealing with. It's a classic Claude, as you can see. So usually they have the imprint here obviously, but because of the fluff I guess they had to put it there. So that's different to the regular bags. I love that this one comes with the chain though and not with a leather strap. You guys know I prefer the chain strap to the leather strap. But then again, like, I feel this is too much fluff, right? All my coats are very fluffy, and I think it's too much shearling. If you wear like a different textured coat, like a smooth leather coat or a smooth fabric coat, then I think, you know, it looks a lot better if you wear textured bag. But I think like this, it's too much texture to be honest. This is still option 2, guys. Oh. This is the Celine Tallulah bag in black patent, and ever since I tried it on for the first time, I love it. You can wear this in summer and winter, it doesn't really matter, but I think it's a really good choice because the patent leather, you know, withstands rain, snowstorms, anything you can imagine. Plus it's a super comfortable bag to wear, and I think once you put stuff in, you know, and it drags the bag down, it sits really comfortably on your shoulder, especially with such a thick coat, because the chain is, you know, I think this is a practical choice because, like I said, you don't have to worry about the bag no matter what the weather, you know, decides to be that day. And to be honest, I do not have that many black shoulder bags, so this one could be it still. Not sure. What do we think? Need your opinions this time around. Okay guys, so this is the other option, and I think it is calf hair, like pony hair, but I recently learned that pony hair is actually calf leather. So let me show you the texture. Can we see that? It's fluffy as well, but I think, to be honest, this one looks better, right, than the other one. Let me know. That's what I mean with the texture. So because the coat is really, really fluffy, if you have a smoother bag, I think it automatically looks better because there's a difference. I think the colors of this one looks better as well, right? I show you both in comparison, but both. So this is the fluffy one. This is the smooth one. Smooth, fluffy. What do we think? And we're here, guys, and they already put the Christmas decoration up as well. Yeah, let's head in. I just came in and they have the most beautiful display. Can you believe it? Can you see all these sparkles? I mean, wow, this is a new colorway that came out with the latest drop, and we got basically the same beautiful bag. Let me go behind, then I can show it to you properly. The same beautiful colorway in the Mini Kelly, which is my favorite bag. The Serpenti Forever mini top handle. I always just say Mini Kelly because it reminds me of a Mini Kelly. But wow, so let me know which one you would pick. And I also have to show you these because this is the new dark green Karung that I told you about in my updated handbag wishlist collection video. If you haven't checked out the last video I posted, go and check it out now. There you see me talking and dreaming about this little baby How cute is it? And Karung is one of the most durable exotic leathers, even though you can get it at a really, really reasonable price. And I don't know if I can show you just how gorgeous it is. It looks way nicer in reality. It looks a little bit bluish on my phone, but it's pure green. That's why I always tell you, come and look at these beauties in person. So this is the one that I have in pink in that size, and this is a teeny tiny little mini Serpentine top handle version. Super cute. This one is the one on my wish list. So you can see, oh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Look how stunning it is. I would say it's the same durability as Lizard, but at half the price. And guys, we have seen these beauties before, of course. I love them. This is the Dual Serpenti. So you basically got two heads right there. And this is the beautiful plum, midnight plum color. We haven't seen this one in person before, so that's stunning. Another little sparkle bag. I mean, it's the perfect colors for autumn and winter, right? Gorgeous. And look at this striated leather. The effect is so beautiful. And guys, look at this, how beautiful the light is in the evenings. Hi. I love this mirror, you guys know that. And yeah, we're gonna show you some of the new bags now from the latest drop that Marika Transo has designed. Just look at these gorgeous pieces. Guys, look at this. This is the new Ginkgo clutch. And Dina, do you want to tell us something about it?
Leather
Mm-hmm.
and suede. So we have
There we can see good.
leather and suede on this one.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful texture. Beautiful leather.
Yeah.
Bracelet.
Stunning
Look at the
mechanism.
details on the inside.
Yes. Yeah, guys, what do we think about these new clutches? It's definitely innovative. It's a new design. We haven't seen this before. This is obviously the Diva logo. You can find it on all of Marika Transo's designs. Yeah, absolutely stunning. This is a new bag that Dina wants me to show you as well. Ostrich, the Roma Bulgari bag in white agate ostrich. That's the name of the color. You know, if you want, because so many of you tell me you want a Bulgari bag, but you do not want the serpent or, you know, the serpent head or the serpent logo. So I think this would be the perfect choice. Look how timeless this is. Oh wow, guys, look at these, my absolute favorite bag. I was really looking forward to seeing this one. This is the Milky Opal Metallic. This is so gorgeous. We have to try it on. Obviously the ostrich, stunning as well. We tried that on before, as well as the ruthenium python. Okay guys, I am in love. This is, I think, my ideal little Serpenti Forever mini, the mini Kelly. I just like to say this is the Bulgari's answer to the mini Kelly. So yeah, let me know what you think. It obviously comes with a strap as well, but I would just wear it like this, or yeah, you can wear it on the crook of your arm. Now I have like a really thick coat, but you can still, you know, wear it like this. And yeah, guys, what can I tell you? I got my eye on this one. I hope you can see the effect. It's milky opal, just like my Serpenti Forever. However, it has like a metallic finish. It is so shiny in reality. Looks like a mermaid, basically. And it's got these beautiful onyx eyes, the enamel, and the golden flakes. Oh, it's so stunning. And look at this, guys. Classic lizard. Absolutely stunning. Okay guys, so look at this. Wow, this looks so good with my coat. Okay, yeah. This is lizard. So this and Karung is the same durability. I would say you can't go wrong with either. It's just that lizard is a little bit more expensive than Karung. Wow. I love it. Look at this dual Serpenti. This is silver hardware and white. And here you can see the Diva logo as well. And Dina just brought this one out as well for us to have a look at. This one has silver hardware, guys. Most bags, obviously the dual Serpentis, they come either in rich gold or champagne gold. But for anyone who's looking for a silver bag, because you mainly wear silver or white gold or platinum, you know, this could be the pick for you. But just seeing all of them all at once, look at this. This is like an artwork, guys. Pure gold. I think that's my favorite. Look at this Karung Baya bag. This is such a nice color as well. Regular calf leather Karung. Beautiful croc. And this is the small size as well of the Serpentine top handle. Okay guys, so they are the absolute best, the entire team at Bulgari Bond Street. And I can always only recommend you, if you're in London, drop by, you know, look at the bags, look at the jewelry. You're gonna be in good hands. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. First time I was like properly in Central again. And yeah, I had a good time. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And yes guys, I see you again very soon. I even switched the Christmas decoration on already. It's a bit early though. Just look how beautiful London is at night. Good night everyone.